Hello and welcome to our channel. If you ever found yourself in a situation where you want to extract text from an image, but typing it manually seems like a pain, then you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to copy text from an image using Google Lens. Yep, that's right. No more endless typing. Let's dive right in. Before we get into how to copy text from an image, let's talk a bit about Google Lens. Google Lens is an incredible image recognition tool powered by AI. It allows you to analyze images and extract information from them. Google Lens can do everything from identifying objects to copying text from pictures. Alright, it's time to get to the heart of the matter. Copying text from an image, it's a pretty straightforward process. To get started, head over to Google Search and click on search by image icon. This will allow you to upload an image into Google Lens. Once you have clicked on that, go ahead and upload an image containing the text you want to copy. At the bottom of the uploaded image, click on text. Google Lens will highlight all the text in the image. Once the text is highlighted, click on select all text button to choose all the highlighted text in one go. Then click on copy. All the text will be copied to your clipboard. After copying the text, head over to any text editor you prefer like Microsoft Word and simply paste the text from the clipboard. You can do this by holding down Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. And there you have it, the text is ready for you to edit and use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you want to see more tech tips like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and catch you all in the next video.